How's it going today, guys? Trucks and Water here, and this is gonna be a little bit different of a video than you're normally used to. I will be making another video on this, but this is gonna be the install video on Boost Auto Parts, brand new product for the OBS Chevys. Y'all have been asking for and asking me a while, is the new style key fob for these trucks. The old style key fob for these trucks are not the greatest ever, and Boost Auto graciously let me have a prototype and test it out for about 3 months. But now you can finally buy these key fobs for the OBS style trucks. Link will be down in the description for Boost Auto and the key fob and whatnot, so please go pick yourself up one. This is going to be an install video for a 1996 era of these OBSs. So what you get in the package is, of course, the key fob. It literally looks like a key fob you get off, I think, for the newer style trucks, except for the brand new 19 and 20 Silverado. So the little bit older body style trucks, but this is a whole lot cleaner than the other style of key fob we're all used to. So let's go underneath the dash and I'll show you how to install this. Alright guys, so all you need to install one of these key fobs is literally a paper clip that you need to straighten out. So what you want to do is locate your OBSD2 port underneath the dash right here. That's where it's located, right in here. You need to find on the top section of your OBD2 port, you need to count over 1, 2, 3, 4 slots. Put your paper clip in right there, and then 5, 6, 7, and the 8th slot, and put your paper clip in right there. As you can hear, it's going to reset the door locks on it. Then what you want to do is grab your remote, hold the lock and the unlock button down at the same time until you hear the door clicks like that, and then unplug it and then test your remote out, and there you go. That's it. That's all you all have to do to reprogram one of these remotes. And plus, on these remotes, they have a little bit more distance than the old style remote. That makes it a whole lot better for when you're walking out from you know, who knows, from the grocery store or wherever you're coming from. But anyways, guys, that's all you have to use to install one of these. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you like the video, leave a like. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Join the Trucks and Water family, constantly growing, changing, and trying new and better things. Special shout out to Boost Auto for allowing me to make this install video for them and allowing me to do what I do every day and sponsoring this truck. Hope you all have a great day, and remember, never give up on your dreams.